Hello students, welcome back. Today I am discussing our MySQL practical part. Okay, so you can see start all programs. Okay, start all programs in MySQL. We can use MySQL command line. Okay, students. So this is our command line prompt. This is CUI. CUI means character user interface, command line interface. So first we login our MySQL server. Okay, so password is root ROOT enter. Okay, first I want to show all the databases name. Show databases enter. So you can see all the database. So you can see our school database. You can see which was we already created. Now we want to open school database. So we can use school semicolon enter. Okay students, now we want to see all the table which are available in school database. So we can use show tables. Okay, so you can see here only one student table you can see. Now you can see the structure of a table. So we can use describe students. So we can see column name, data types or constraint you can see. Okay, now I want to see the records. So here I am using select star from table name. You can see student. Okay, so you can see only two records you can see, 101 Raj, Ajmer and fees. Suppose I want to insert new records. So here I am using insert into table name is, you can see our table name is student, and we can input our column name. So you can see column name, roll number, comma, name, comma, city, comma, fees. Okay, now we can use values. Okay, now one by one I went to input. So here I am using 103, comma, we can use Sohan, comma, we can use suppose Udaipur, comma, and here finally I want to input fees. Okay, and close the bracket and semicolon enter. So you can see query. Okay, one record affected. So here I am using select star from student. Okay, so this command you can see here we have three records. Suppose I want to input one more record. So here I am using insert into, here we can use student because I want to input all the columns and I want to input a new row. So there is no need to use column names again. Okay, we can omit this thing. We can directly use values. Okay, because I want to input all the columns data. So here I am using 104, here I am using Rohan, comma, we can use here suppose Rajkot. Okay, and here I want to input fees. Suppose here I want to input fees. Okay, and then we can press enter. Now you can see all the records. So we can use select star from table name. You can see student. Now we have four records. Suppose I want to input one more record. So here I am using insert into student values. Okay, here I am using 105. Here I am writing suppose Amit. Okay, now Amit in we can use Ahmedabad. Okay, Ahmedabad we can use Ahmedabad, and I want to input fees. Okay, so you can see the fees of 105 Amit. Okay, here I am using select star from table name. You can see student to show all the details. Now you can see we have 5 records, Raj, Mohan, Sohan, Rohan. Okay, okay, but I want to see only fees column. So here I am using select fees from student. Okay, student. Okay, so this is your fees column, but I want to increment 100 rupees. Okay, so here I am using select fees plus 100 from student. Okay, enter. So you can see 100 rupees will increment only viewing purpose. Really that was not changed, only viewing purpose, because select command only show the data. Okay, so you can see our old column and new column. Suppose fees, comma, fees plus 100 plus from student table. Okay, so you can see your old fees, you can see 7400.50, and after increment you can see our 100 rupees. Only viewing purpose you can see all the fees column will increment by 100. Okay, suppose you want to see select name. Okay, and we can use fees comma fees plus 100 from student. Okay, so you can see here student name with old fees with new fees. Okay, but I want to give proper title, so we can use select. Okay, we can use name, okay, here I am using fees. Okay, but in fees we give a new title as we can use old fees. Okay, comma fees is our real column, we can change the title fees, we can use as old fees, and here I am using fees plus 100, here I am using as new fees from student. Okay students, now you can see so this is your name column, and you can see here fees column title, you can see old fees. Okay, and fees plus 100, this is our calculated column, but with a new title, new fees you can see from student table. So this is our calculated column, so we can increment the fees for viewing purpose. Okay, so this thing you keep in mind. So this is very interesting program. Okay students, now I am telling a new thing. Suppose select. Okay, suppose we want to see only city column, so we can see select city from student table. Okay, so we can display our city column. Okay students, so you can see. Okay, now I want to show data in ascending or descending order. I want to show data in ascending or descending order. So simply we can use select star from student. Okay, so you can see here roll number, name, you can see name Raj, Mohan, Sohan, Rohan and Amit. So I want to show, means I want to show data in ascending order using student name. Okay, so we can use select star from, we can use student. Here I am using order by. When you want to perform ascending or descending of a particular column, so we must use order by. After table name, student is our table name. After table name we must use order by. So which column? Here I am using name column and semicolon enter. So you can see the difference. This is our original table. 101 Raj, 102 Mohan, 103 Sohan, Mohan. But here I am using order by name. So by default all the name in ascending order, A to Z. So you can see Amit, Mohan, then Raj, then Sohan, and other data remaining according to will automatically set. You can see 105 Amit Ahmedabad. So you can see 105 Amit Ahmedabad. Okay, suppose I want to see the name in descending order, so we can use select star from student order by. We can use name, but descending order you must use DESC. You must use DESC. Okay, this thing is after column name you must use DESC. Okay, then press enter. So you can see here Sohan, then Rohan, then Raj, then Mohan, then Amit. Okay, so you can see. So all the row automatically shuffle, and here name wise descending order you can see the data. You can also apply on city column. So we can use select star from student. Okay, we can use order by. Okay, here I am using city. Okay, and we can use semicolon enter. So by default city, all the city will arrange in ascending order. Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Kota, Rajkot and Udaipur you can see. Suppose I want to see the city in descending order. So we can use select star from student order by. Here I am city, but here for descending we must use after column name which column you want to see in descending order, city column, but descending, so you must use DESC. but last time ascending order there is no need to use anything, because by default always ascending means A to Z, but in descending you must use DSC. Okay, then I press to enter. So you can see our city column, you can see in descending order, Z to A, Udaipur, then Rajkot, then Kota, then Ajmer, then Ahmedabad. Okay, so you can see name wise, then city wise you can see. Suppose I want to fees wise, I want to perform ascending order. To apply fees column in ascending order, so we can use simply select star from table name student, but here we must use order by which column you want to see in ascending order, fees. Okay, so we directly use semicolon, enter. So you can see all the fees, minimum fees, then higher, then higher, then higher, then higher. Okay, so we can say 1 to 100. So all the fees in our ascending order, data, remaining data will automatically set. Suppose I want to see fees in descending order, so we can use select star from student order by fees, but descending we must use DSC keyword, then press enter. So you can see all the fees in descending order and other data automatically shuffle. So you can easily see select command is very powerful command. It is only viewing purpose. We can display, we can show, we can list out our data with a minimum amount of coding. With a simple coding we can use, and you can see the output. Okay students, so same command you can write in this style, select star, we can use from student order by fees DSC. Okay, so you can same command in one line, and same command you can write in line by line, you can write systematically. Select star means you want to see all the columns from student table, but fees column must be in descending, so you can use order by which column, fees. So same command you will write in one line, and same command you will write in multiple line, but finally you must type semicolon, because this command is terminate, this command will stop. Then we can press enter. So MySQL interpreter will execute. You can see all the fees in descending order. So you can see 3 lines. This is one line style, but in last we must use semicolon. Okay, so you can see this is our order by command. Okay students, but in this order by you can see all the columns in source, but you want to see selected column, so you can also see. Suppose you want to see select, here I want to see only name, comma, city, okay, from student, and we can use order by fees, okay, descending. So here new thing is, last time I want to see all the columns, but here I want to see only name and city column. Okay, but fees must be in descending order. So you can see, so all the data you can see according to fees descending order. Okay, you can see Sohan, Udaipur, Mohan, Kota, Raj, Ajmer. So this data, but in this data special thing is in the fees is in descending order. Okay, but here fees column is not available. Okay, so we can also use selected column. Suppose you want to see fees, so we can use select name, city, and we can include for city also, and we can press enter. We can use from student order by, we can use fees, we can use DSC. So here I am including the fees column also, don't worry. So we can also see our fees column. So here new thing is we can include selected column also. Okay, so we can control our data viewing according to our choice. So always select command, use selected column, from, then after we always use from and table name, then we can use order by command to ascending and descending according to our choice. Okay, by default this is ascending, and we can also use descending order. Okay students, so dear student, today I am discussing calculated column and order by command ascending or descending. So here I am showing some new things. Suppose you want to see complete table again, so we can use select star from student. Okay, either you can write in one style, or you can also write select star, we can use from student, finally you use semicolon, then press enter. So same command you will write in one line, finally you must use semicolon, and you will write in 2 lines. So same output you will give. Okay, but this command will give clearly. First we see all the columns in. Suppose you want to see selected row. You want to see selected row. So we can use from student, and selected row we must use where. For selected row we must use where. For ascending descending we use order by. For selected row we use row where. So here I am using which column? Here I am using roll number is equal to 101. Means I want to see all the details of roll number 101, because here I am using select star. Star means all columns, but which row? Only roll number have 101. So you can see. So you can see only roll number 101 Raj, Ajmer, and so you can see all the details of roll number 101. Okay. Suppose you want to see all the details of roll number 102. So what is the command? You can write select star. Okay. From student we can use where roll number is equal to 102. Here you must exactly use same column name here, and here we can mention is equal to. Is equal to is our equals operator, relational operator, and here we can mention 102 and then press enter. So it will display all the details of 102. Suppose I want to see the details of roll number 103. So we can use select star from student where roll number is equal to 103. So it will check in roll number column, and it will check 103 and 103, because here I mentioned star. So we can see all the columns, roll number, name, city and fees, means 103 Sohan Udaipur 95000 will display. Okay. So here something wrong. So because here select command have spelling mistake. So again I am writing select star from student where roll number is equal to 103. So you can see details of 103. Suppose I want to see the detail of 106 roll number, but 106 roll number is not present. So you can see here I am using 106. Okay, but 106 not available. So what is the output? It will display empty set. It will display empty set because 106 roll number is not present. Okay students, so today I am discussing a calculated column output, order by ascending or descending, and where command, some examples. Okay, so you can see. Okay students, thank you so much.